I'm bored. And it's noon. I'm gonna get some fruits to eat. This is what happens when I'm bored and lazy. Eat, eat, eat. Ay, ay, ay. Might as well taste this. Mandarin. Tangerine Orange. See if they're edible already. Looks like they are. And I'm gonna see the difference between this taste and the mandarin one. Let's pick some mandarin too. I picked quite a lot already. This one's soft. This one. What else? I want more. Hey, hold on. This looks soft already. Might as well. There's another one hiding. This one. Okay, I need to save some for my work. To snack. So this is the mandarin orange. And this is my tangerine orange. This is a lot more orange already as far as the colors. Deep orange, light orange. Let's see the taste. I already know the taste of the mandarin. The difference. Tangerine, mandarin. We'll try the tangerine first. Ooh, they're juicy. Oh my god, I can't wait for next year. OMG, I hope it fruits a lot. And I hope it grows a little bit bigger. Or even better, bigger. Juicy. OMG. Now the taste, because my mandarin is not that sweet yet. It's sweet, but not sweet like the tangerine I've tasted before. So let's see. Still a little sour. Now let's open the tangerine. Oh, that's sour.